Hey y'all, today's video is going to be a clean with me video. We are going to be deep cleaning my bathroom, but we're starting off with a cup of coffee because you know your girl can't function without it. I'm adding some of my favorite milk to my coffee. This is vanilla flavored and lactose free from HEB. It's absolutely delicious. You should try it. And now I'm just going to open up these windows to let some of that gorgeous natural light in, and then we're going to get started.
And you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, we're gonna be doing some cleaning. I'm gonna be starting off in my bathroom, which I normally don't do, but my bathroom's kind of working my nerves right now. There's a little bit of clutter on the counter, a couple towels here and there. I really want to deep clean my tub and shower and also those jets. I'll show you how I do that. I actually just learned this trick about a month ago. Game changer. So I'm going to be deep cleaning my bathtub and shower. I might be organizing my drawers and cabinets. We'll see. I'm just going to go with the flow, but I definitely want to start off in my bathroom, so that's what we're going to do. This is my ring light. Don't pay attention to it. The camera's going on that. And yeah, let's get started. So I actually had full intentions on making this a full apartment cleaning video. However, cleaning this bathroom took so long today that I decided to just make it a bathroom cleaning video. It was like one thing after another. I had to take several breaks because my battery on my camera kept dying. The memory cards kept getting filled up. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, that's what happened. So this is just gonna be a bathroom cleaning video. Anyways, so I started off by getting rid of some of the clutter and the garbage off of my sink and everywhere else, like the towels on my towel rack and the little things I have on the back of my toilet. Just moving all of that so I can deep clean this bathroom today. And then I moved straight on to cleaning the toilet. So I'm using this spray bleach from Walmart, which was working every nerve in my body because the spray part is somehow broken. So I actually couldn't spray it how it's supposed to be sprayed. I kept having to kind of like do it manual, if that makes sense. It was working my nerves so bad, but this was definitely a bleach kind of day. So now I'm going to start wiping off the bathroom walls. All of the walls in my apartment are sheetrock walls, and in the bathroom is the only place where it has kind of like a, not a glossy finish, but maybe a satin finish. So I'm able to wipe these walls down, but I could not do that in the rest of my apartment because all of the other walls are dry. So I'm just taking this rag. It's a wet rag. I've been keeping it wet because I've got water in the sink and I've been like rinsing it off and stuff. So yeah, I'm just using this concentrated all-purpose cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's and a cleaning rag, and I'm just going to wipe down the walls, the doors and the door frame, the doorknobs and the light switches.
Look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect.
So I got so caught up organizing this that I moved down to my cabinet, and I wasn't recording because it was just insane. It's too much. So this is actually all garbage that I got from this cabinet and my bottom cabinet. I also need to throw this away. This was like an old extension of mine, but Cannoli came in here one day, somehow ripped it out of the drawer and destroyed it, so I'm throwing this away. Ah! Anyways, I have so much more to do. I allowed myself to get caught up in reorganizing and getting rid of things, and my obsessive compulsive tendencies kind of kicked in. Not good. But I'm gonna move forward now. I'm not gonna let anything slow me down or stop me. I have so much more to do, so I'm going to do it, and I'll show you my cabinets after. Your girl's gone crazy. Okay?
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven. I won't fight it, can't deny it. I'm under your spell. Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven.
Now I'm cleaning my mirror off with my favorite glass foam cleaner. I get this from Walmart. It's the Spray Away brand, and I'm just using a paper towel to clean the mirror. And now I'm gonna wipe off my countertop and wipe out my sink and all that fun stuff. I'm using that same Mrs. Meyer spray that I was using on the walls and a wet rag.
Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven. Closer to heaven. Closer to heaven.
So moving on to my tub and my shower and these jacuzzi jet things. These things actually drive me crazy. They're really nice if you want to take like a bubble bath with the jacuzzi jets going. It's so relaxing, but at the same time, these things are so annoying because they have to be cleaned. They get so disgusting. So that's one of the reasons I can't stand them. If I ever got another place, I would hope that I would not have these in my bathtub because I actually hate having to deal with them. So last month, I noticed that there was like some drippage. I don't know if it's from the water or what it is, but you can see in one of the jets there's like some colored water dripping down. So I didn't know that you could remove those little plastic pieces, so one day I just went in there with a screwdriver and I popped them off, and I was like, woohoo, and now I can actually thoroughly clean these jets. So I popped them off with a screwdriver. I'm taking a very old electric toothbrush and cleaning inside there, and then I'm going to clean the little pieces individual, and then I'm going to clean my bathtub and my shower walls after. So I'm not sure if you can see like the staining and the coloring on my, like around my tub at the top there where all my beauty products sit. I don't know, like I said, if it's from the water or what, but something is staining around my tub, and no matter what I use, it won't go away, and it gets all in the caulking part, and yeah, it's driving me crazy. So if any of you would happen to know what is causing that, I would appreciate it if you would let me know down in the comments, because I would like to try to eliminate that stuff, that coloring and the staining, because the bathtub and the shower walls are so beautiful with that marble look on the shower walls, and I love my bathtub and stuff, but that the staining is just driving me nuts. So if you would happen to know what is causing that, I'd appreciate it if you let me know, and any way to fix it or get rid of it or something I could use to clean it, let me know that as well. So now I'm sweeping the bathroom floor. I swept it first because there was a lot of cat food on the floor because I keep the girls' food in the bathroom. So I'm just sweeping that, and then I actually went over it with the vacuum, which I didn't end up filming. And then I'm going to be getting down on the floor and scrubbing it with a wet rag and some of that multi-purpose cleaner again. So after I was done cleaning the tub, I sprayed some bleach in there, and now I'm just letting the tub fill up, and I'm letting those jets run to get the rest of the gunk out of there. It's so gross.
So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around.
Okay, so I just finished mopping the floor. Those are just my little footprints. Don't pay attention to them. This is Miss Cannoli. She's very curious about what's going on. But my bathroom is completely finished. I need to take that garbage out, and then I'm just letting the jets run because they need to. But other than that, I'm done cleaning everything. The last thing I wanted to do was show y'all the cabinets. I didn't really get to film all of that because I was having a little nervous breakdown, but there is that one. I organized this drawer. It was a mess. I organized under here, and I also organized Alan's drawer. I didn't organize under here just because I didn't feel like it, and I didn't do it under here either because I also didn't feel like it. What y'all don't know behind the scenes here is that I still have this entire apartment to clean. I mean, it looks like it's a bad deal, okay? This whole place is a mess. This is just my living room, kitchen, office area. These are all my birthday presents, which I was thinking about doing a haul if you guys wanted to see that. I'm not sure if you want to, maybe like a haul and a try on, because I did get some clothes. But yeah, so I need to clean everything in here. Ooh, this is bad, y'all. And then I have to clean my bedroom. It's rough. But it's actually taken me so long to do this bathroom. My battery kept dying. My memory card kept running out of memory. And yeah, so I had to take a million breaks. So this took me longer than it should have. If I wasn't filming, I would have been done with this in an hour and I would have been able to move on to the next area. But yeah. I'm done. And I'm so thankful that I'm done. This is over with. All I have to do now is put my rugs down. I'm just gonna start adding some more garbage in here because God knows I have a lot more garbage to get rid of in this apartment. Yeah, so anyways, okay, so my battery actually ended up dying before I could finish this video, and just say a few things before the video ends. First off, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to get up and get whatever it is you need to get done. I really needed to get this done today, and this bathroom just really needed a really good deep clean, so I feel so much better now that this is done, and now I get to move on to the rest of the apartment, which I'm dreading, but I'm gonna do it. So anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you enjoy my content and you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!